Introduction. Organizational behavior focus on how individuals and group behave within an organization, especially in decision making, communication, and performance. In a multinational companies such as Honda Motor Company, managing internal dynamics is important due to diverse cultures, global operation, and complex structure. Maksudnya kelakuan organisasi merujuk kepada kajian tentang bagaimana individu dan kumpulan bertindak atau berkelakuan di sesebuah organisasi. Fokus utama kajian ini merangkumi pembuatan keputusan. Bagaimana pilihan dibuat untuk mencapai matlamat syarikat. Prestasi. Bagaimana gelagat pekerja memberi kesan kepada produktiviti dan kualiti kerja. Secara keseluruhannya, teks ini menekankan bahawa memahami kelakuan manusia dalam organisasi adalah kunci utama untuk mengurus syarikat global seperti Honda dengan berkesan agar mereka kekal kompetitif dan berprestasi tinggi. Theoretical application to Honda. Employee may influence decision on new technologies. For example, EV development. Di Honda, pekerja terutamanya jurutera atau pakar teknikal mungkin menggunakan pengaruh mereka untuk menentukan hala tuju teknologi syarikat. Second, managers compete for budgets and project approval. Maksudnya, pengurus-pengurus di pelbagai jabatan seperti R&D, pemasaran atau pengeluaran sering bersaing untuk mendapatkan sumber kewangan yang terhad. Third one, resources are limited and employees want promotion and recognition. Maksudnya, oleh kerana sumber syarikat dan jawatan tinggi adalah terhad, pekerja akan terlibat dalam tingkah laku politik untuk menonjolkan diri.
Organizational culture and change. For organizational culture, first is respect for the individual. Honda believes every employee's ideas and contributions are important. Workers are encouraged to share opinions and suggestions. And second is innovation and creativity. Employees are encouraged to develop new technologies, ideas, and improvements for vehicles and manufacturing. And last is teamwork and collaboration. Honda promotes cooperation among employees to solve organizational culture and change. For organizational change, first is development of electric vehicles. Honda is investing in electric and hybrid vehicles to respond to environmental concerns and future transportation trends. And second is technological innovation. The company develops advanced technologies such as fuel efficient engines, robotics, and AI systems. And last is global expansions. Honda expanded operation to many countries, adapting products and strategies to different market organizations.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elisa binti Rizwan. My matric number is 18 DPM 24 F1995. So today I want to talk about connection between politics, culture and change. In Honda, politics, culture and change are closely connected. First, culture and politics. When the culture is strong, means teamwork, respect, negative politics will be reduced because employees focus more on cooperation rather than personal interest. Example, employees help each other and share ideas to achieve target instead of bring others down to look better. Second, culture and change. A strong culture help employees adapt to change more easily. For example, the concept of Kaizen in Honda encourage continuous improvement. Lastly, politics and change. During change, employers may use politics to protect their position or gain advantage. For example, during the transition to EV employers compete to be involved in new project. Thank you.
My name is Nurati Rabiti Nazisha. My metric number is FTDPM24F1057. Now, I will be explaining the analysis and discussion focusing on the impact on Honda. There are two, negative and positive impact. Firstly, organization politics can actually have a positive impact if it used properly. It helps employee influence discussion more efficiently. For example, when employees have a good communication and strong relationship, they can make sure the ideas are heard by management. Next, a strong organization culture in Honda helps to improve teamwork. When employees share the same value and goal, it becomes easier to work together. This also encourages innovation because everyone is contributing ideas to achieve company's success. Lastly, change with it. The organization encourages growth and competitiveness. When Honda adapt to change, it can stay relevant in the market and compete with other automotive companies. Next, negative impact. However, there are also negative impact. If organization politics become extensive, it can create conflict among employees. Some employees may focus more on personal gain rather than company goals. In addition, a weak organizational culture can reduce trust among employees. When trust is low, teamwork becomes less, effectiveness and overall productivity may decrease. Finally, poorly management change can increase stress and retention. Employees may feel uncomfortable or afraid of the change, which can lead them to reject new ideal or process.
Hi, my name is Nur Shamima Mani. My metric number is 18DPM24F1055. Okay. In a real situation at Honda, when the company introduced new technology, managers use their power to assign roles to employees. At the same time, employees may use organization politics to get involved in important projects. The organizational culture plays a key role in determining whether the environments become collaborative or conflict-driven. If it is well managed, employees will cooperate and work towards common goals. However, if it is not properly managed, competition can become unhealthy.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Zuhaira binti Azhar. My metric number is 1824F1061. So I will be present my part. So the practical recommendation for Honda, there are several key actions that can be taken to improve the organization. First, Honda should be strengthened in organization culture by focusing to teamwork, mutual respect, and the practice of Kaizen, which encourage continuous improvement. Second, the company needs to promote the ethical leadership to reduce negative organization politics and create a more positive of environment. So third, Honda should ensure transparency in promotion and performance, so the employees feel so the system is fair and trustworthy. In addition, communication should be changed, especially during the organization change, to avoid confusion and misunderstanding. Honda should also involve employees in decision making, as this can increase this motivation and engage at work. Lastly, providing training in leadership and conflict management is also important to help managers handle challenge that more efficiency. Thank you.
In conclusion, Honda Motor Company, organization, political, culture and change are closely related. Organization political cannot be avoided, but it must be managed properly to prevent negative effect. A strong organizational culture helps reduce conflict and encourage teamwork among the employee. Besides that, effective change management help reduce uncertainty and resistance to change. Therefore, Honda Motor Company needs to balance power, political culture, and change to achieve long-term success and maintain the positive working environment.